5 minutes late. This guy is always late. I'm ready to head out. Lunch break at the facility. No. Is your food good, man? Thanks for sharing, bro. You know, I took you on this trip. Last minute notice, I met you at a gas station, and then you having lunch. It didn't even invite me.
This is all
you know?
Just a half a sandwich.
He just packed half a sandwich for himself.
On a diet.
I guess I just sit and watch him eat. We're gonna head over to this campground over here. This campground looks nice.
Driveway.
Yeah, this campground looks clean. You wanna camp here? You forgot your tent, did you?
Yeah.
You
I brought a tent. My little G.I. Joe tent.
Let's go look inside. Right here, look at that. Plenty of spot left.